All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick analysis on Opendoor, ticker OPEN. So we have the daily chart up right now. As you can see, it's been on a very long downtrend, and at around January 2023, and it's kind of held this range. And so you also see this support level at around 122. It kind of broke up and tried to break out around 483, 410, but it failed to break out, and it just kept going down back to the bottom, failed through the support at 127 before finally, as low as about 40 cents, that's when it just had that big momentum move that maybe you took part in last year, beginning in July and all the way to the end of 2025. And since then, the stock has been on this downward channel. It's created this range and had this quick reaction, bounced back up, fell to break out, went back down, but it's making basically lower highs and higher, um, lower highs and lower lows, right? And as you can see, this is the 200, and it's been below the 200 except for when it had that momentous move up. But now we're coming back to the 200, and as you can see, it failed and broke down. And so hopefully what we want to see if you're bullish in a stock is for it to break back up above the 200 and hopefully break back into this channel and kind of at least try to break through this channel once again. On the bigger picture, um, we do see what looks like a cup and a handle forming, so there could be a potential bullish breakout if volume comes in. And right now we see that there is decreasing volume, which is normal during this pattern of the handle. And so we want to see decreased selling and hopefully an increased buying that would cause this to basically break out. And we have earnings coming up this week, Thursday, February 19th. So that'll be something interesting to consider. Um, I believe they're looking at a 13% move, either up or down. So if it goes down as far as support levels, we have around this $4 range, and then it can drop as low as $2. So obviously if it drops that low, then the cup and handle is invalidated, right? Um, so hopefully it will have some support before it even gets to these lower ranges. I mean, it could have another possible support here at around $3 or so, but really what you would want to see if you're bullish on this stock is for it to get above this 200, breakout of this resistance right here around 485 and $5, 510, and have a increased volume move up to potentially even 650. So if it breaks out the channel, make a further move up, but we'll have to see um, how it goes. And obviously have your stops ready and just be ready for a potential move down. And if you can get stopped out, maybe you can have a better entry for either a dead cat bounce or possibly mean reversion to capture some move. If it breaks out, then you obviously hopefully can catch that bigger move up. But this is one of the stocks that I'm holding, and um, I'm not really sure. No one really knows. I think um, even if they have some good earnings or something that's good news, it can still send the price down these days. You just don't want to predict. You just better off trying to react if you're in that position to um, be able to watch it closely and hopefully um, benefit from it. But this is the daily chart, like I said, in the bigger picture of what could happen for the next few days, few weeks. So, could it go back to these levels? Could it go break out of the previous high of the previous momentum? It was around $11. If it breaks out at $11, this thing can run because of just the attention that it's going to get. And so be ready. And if you're bullish and I'm a long bias trader, then we're looking hopefully for that move up. Let me know what you think. Are you in this stock? Are you holding no matter what? Do you think it's going to go to $82? Um, I'd like to know what you think. Let me know. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Until next time, God bless.